I'm in a BMW M5 Competition Pack. Next to me is a BMW M3 Competition Pack. This has a 4.4 litre twin turbo V8 with 625 horsepower. That has a 3 litre straight 6 twin turbo, normally with 450 horsepower, but it's been tuned by Evolve and now it has 540 horsepower. That's rear wheel drive, this is 4-wheel drive. Doesn't seem fair, does it? However, this car has a 2-wheel drive mode, so I've selected it in 2-wheel drive mode. Only the traction control is now off, so he's got his off as well to make it fair. We can have a drag race and see what happens. Now make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. Also check us out on Instagram at CarWowCars. Right then, Imran from Evolve, see what you got. Oh, I'm off now. I think he struggled with traction more than I did. And that's the win. That was all about traction. I managed that really well. Him less so. So both cars struggled with traction, but the M5 got the better start and crossed the line in 12.5 seconds. Interestingly, in 4-wheel drive mode, I've timed the M5 Competition at 11.1 seconds over the standing quarter mile, so you can see the benefit of BMW's decision to give it all-wheel drive. Anyway, the tuned M3 did the quarter mile in 13 seconds dead, which is almost 0.8 of a second slower than I had out of a standard M3 CS with 460 horsepower. So it goes to show you that more power can be harder to handle, especially on a damp day. Right then, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. We're both locked in manual mode, in 3rd gear. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I picked up pretty good then. Come on, car. Oh, it's just easing ahead. And it's just pulling a little bit on me. It's close though. It's close. But there's a reason for his win. We've both got the same torque, 750 Newton meters, but that car weighs 1,600 kilos. This is over 1,900 kilos, almost 2 tons. And that was telling in the end. The engine has to work harder. Okay, so now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cones, we're going to do a full emergency stop. See which car can stop in the shortest distance. I've got carbon ceramic brakes. His on normal steel brakes, but his car, like I said, is a lot lighter. Coming up to the cone, what's going to happen? I think you can guess, can't you? Here we go. Yes, yes. Yes, well that's that. The heavier car lost. Quelle surprise. That's French for what a surprise. Should have said it in German really, the German cars. Don't know German now.